Peterbilt 579 Sleeper. Forget what you think you know about regular transport. Today, you're in for an exciting look at some of the most impressive trucks out there. These are the true kings of the highway, from powerful custom builds to smooth, modern tractor trailers. Get ready to be amazed, inspired, and maybe even choose a favorite. Reliable Carriers is a company that moves luxury vehicles. Their loads are insured for up to $5 million. Let's check out the truck cab of one of their drivers, David Rogers. He delivers high-end cars in total comfort. Surprisingly, one of David's favorite features is the curtains. When closed, they turn the cab into a cozy space, almost like a small loft. The back of the cab feels like a mini apartment, clean and tidy. Shoes off before stepping inside. It has everything you need: a microwave, TV, small kitchen, and even a shower. And don't miss the trailer. It's specially designed to carry up to 7 cars at a time. Need to haul something massive? Whether it's a luxury yacht, a bulldozer, or an industrial generator, ordinary trailers simply can't handle the challenge. That's where the Pavelli semi-trailer comes in, a heavy-duty beast built for the toughest jobs. What makes it special? Every trailer is custom designed to match the exact load you're carrying. Think of it as a tailor-made solution for oversized transport. Need a 15-ton winch to drag heavy machinery? Done. A platform that transforms to adapt on the fly? It's built in. With axles rated at 12 tons each, strength isn't just promised, it's guaranteed. But Pavelli doesn't stop at raw power. You can choose between pneumatic or hydraulic suspension, all remotely controlled for precision. A smart onboard computer keeps track of weight distribution, while also monitoring suspension and braking in real time. This isn't just hauling, it's intelligent hauling. In a world where most trailers struggle to fit the load, Pavelli offers something smarter. A design that literally expands wider to make space. It's not just a trailer, it's the future of heavy transport, built to move what others can't.
This bizarre vehicle looks more like a giant caterpillar stomping on sedans than a truck. Meet the Boss Road, created by a team of French engineers for the Cascaders Motor Show. Never heard of it? It's a roaring stunt event where old cars are flattened into scrap metal under the cheers of the crowd. Building the Boss Road took over 3,300 hours. Its dimensions are just as impressive: 13 m long, 3.5 m tall, and 3.4 m wide. Each of its 10 wheels wears a 1.6 m tall tire. Under the hood, there are 2 diesel engines with a combined 800 horsepower. It's useless on the street, but in the arena, it's the undisputed king of destruction. Tried and true technology plus innovation. That is the simple recipe for success offered by this Canadian team. This country has a network of more than 683,000 m of roads. So, these trailers will be useful upgrades for many local companies. The development is compatible with trucks of different manufacturers, for example, Mack and Kenworth. Thanks to the advanced control panel, it's easy to control the unloading of soil, gravel, and other cargo, even when working alone. The conveyor system is built in from the factory. If accuracy and precision are not required, the trailer can be emptied in just a minute. The trailer has an 812 cubic foot capacity and is made with Hardox 450 wear-resistant steel, which is used to make buckets and blades for a variety of equipment, among other things. The team at RE Legacy Sleepers has found a unique niche in the market. They take trucks from brands like Volvo and Peterbilt and add a dedicated lounging and sleeping area. Depending on the wheelbase, this new area can extend up to 4.8 m in length. Essentially, customers get a mini apartment with a highly flexible layout. For instance, the Peterbilt 567 truck featured in this video comes with a convenient shower, a small kitchen, plenty of cabinets, and a sleeping area that turns into a dining space. In short, these trucks help drivers save time, money, and effort. They no longer need to hunt for available motel rooms, eat weird food at odd hours, or sleep uncomfortably. Instead, they can enjoy a cozy, almost home-like atmosphere right behind the driver and passenger seats. The IO Sway truck hit the market.
Imagine a trailer that doesn't just follow your truck, it thinks, powers, and even saves you money. That's exactly what the Range Energy e-trailer system brings to the road. At its core is a powerful 288 kWh battery and built-in electric drive unit. This means the trailer can run equipment like refrigeration units without relying on the truck, cutting down on fuel use instantly. Its regenerative braking system takes things further, easing the load on the tractor and extending brake life by up to 5 times. Climbing steep slopes? The e-trailer delivers smoother performance than traditional hauls. Facing rain or slick roads? Its advanced control system reduces rollover risk and gives drivers confidence where it matters most. What makes it even more impressive is its flexibility. Almost any semi-trailer can be upgraded into an e-trailer, and it works with diesel, electric, or even hydrogen-powered tractors. The bottom line: this isn't just innovation, it's efficiency in motion, with potential savings of nearly $26,000 a year in fuel and maintenance. The future of trucking isn't coming, it's already hitched and ready to roll. Imagine a truck so advanced it feels like the future of long-haul driving. That's the Kenworth T680. Built for both power and comfort, this premium Class 8 truck is more than just transportation, it's a game-changer. Under the hood, the Pactton MX-13 engine delivers serious muscle while keeping fuel use in check. Many drivers even report close to 8 mpg, a rare feat when hauling nearly full loads. Step inside, and it feels less like a truck, more like a mobile suite. The cabin is quiet, spacious, and designed with the driver in mind. With heated and cooled leather seats, a 180-degree swivel passenger chair, generous storage, and a 76-inch sleeper, long hauls suddenly feel less like work and more like home. Its sleek aerodynamic design not only boosts efficiency but also makes handling smoother and safer on the road. The Kenworth T680 isn't just a truck, it's redefining what it means to drive the open road. Netcap. Imagine transforming a truck in seconds with a tarp that slides smoothly into place, fast, simple, and game-changing. That's exactly what the Netcap sliding tarp delivers. Unlike traditional setups that eat up time and manpower, this system mounts directly on the trailer and can be handled by just one person. No hassle, no delays. Slide it open, load or unload with forklifts and other equipment at the same time, then slide it back, all in record speed. The result? Trucks equipped with Netcap can complete up to 30% more deliveries per day compared to standard rigs. For large fleets, that means more orders shipped, more customers served, and more profit rolling in. For independent drivers, it's extra jobs without extra stress. Even installation is simple. The step-by-step guide is designed so clearly that you can set it up solo, without needing a full crew. In a world where time is money, Netcap isn't just a tarp, it's a competitive edge.
Travis is the modern cowboy, and his Kenworth T680 reflects his spirit. On the outside, the truck is smooth, sleek, and silent, exuding quiet confidence. But inside, it's a powerhouse of ambition, driven by determination and purpose. Every mile in the T680 represents Travis's relentless drive, navigating the roads with precision and style. The truck may appear calm and collected, but underneath, it's ready to unleash full throttle when needed. Just like a cowboy who's always prepared for what's ahead, Travis's T680 combines the best of modern technology with the heart of a true adventurer, effortlessly blending sophistication with the bold ambition to push boundaries.
Meet Smart Valve, the game changer your truck didn't know it needed. This smart electronic controller automatically adjusts your fifth wheel to the perfect height, making every ride smoother, safer, and more fuel efficient. Need to slide under a low trailer? No problem. Smart Valve handles it effortlessly. In its advanced version, it even manages your truck's ground clearance. Here's where it gets really clever. Once your speed crosses 11 kilometers per hour, it resets clearance to your preferred setting without you lifting a finger. And if your trailer's got a low deck, Smart Valve can raise it just enough to glide over bumps and rough roads with ease. The result? Less strain on your suspension, reduced fuel consumption, and lower repair costs. It's not just making your truck perform better, it's saving you money mile after mile. Smart Valve isn't just an upgrade. It's the future of trucking, built to keep you moving smarter, longer, and more efficiently than ever before. Hook. Imagine turning an ordinary truck into a lifting giant with superhuman strength. That's exactly what the Zacklift D-Boom 25T does. Features and benefits. This powerful boom arm is built as an add-on for the fifth wheel system, instantly upgrading your truck into a multi-purpose powerhouse. Extended, it can lift an impressive 8.1 tons with pinpoint precision. Retracted, and the capacity skyrockets to 22.6 tons, perfect for the heaviest, toughest jobs. Control is effortless and safe, thanks to its 6-button wireless remote, letting you operate the crane from a distance. Whether you're towing, recovering, or handling complex lifts, the D-Boom delivers strength and control in one sleek package. Context and impact. This isn't just about lifting, it's about taking on jobs that would stop most trucks in their tracks. In high-pressure situations where precision and power are non-negotiable, the D-Boom steps up and delivers. Closing statement. When brute strength meets smart engineering, you don't just get a crane, you get a game-changer. Hook. Imagine controlling your trailer's axles with just a button, or even by tapping the brake 3 times. Features and benefits. The Knapen trailer's lift axle isn't just about carrying loads, it's about carrying them smarter. This system lets you raise or lower an axle automatically based on the weight, or take full control yourself. Use a remote, a cab panel, or that quick triple brake tap to make adjustments in seconds. Context and real-world impact. The magic lies in its adaptability. Drop the first axle for rock-solid stability on winding mountain roads. Lift the third axle to shorten the wheelbase, making tight turns feel effortless. Whether it's conquering steep terrain or navigating narrow streets, this tech turns challenges into smooth rides. Closing statement. With Knapen's lift axle, your trailer isn't just following the road, it's mastering it. Imagine connecting a massive truck trailer in just 7 seconds, without touching a single cable. That's exactly what the Electron's AutoConnect makes possible. Instead of wrestling with heavy hoses and tangled wires, drivers can stay comfortably in the cab and press one button. Instantly, the system hooks up the brake lines, electrical circuits, CAN bus, and even Ethernet, automatically. No hassle, no wasted time. What makes it even smarter is the built-in computer. The moment the connection is complete, it runs a full check on brakes and electrics, instantly alerting the driver if something's wrong. That's speed and safety working hand in hand. In massive distribution yards, drivers often switch trailers dozens of times in a single shift. Normally, that eats up hours. With AutoConnect, those hours turn into minutes, saving energy, boosting productivity, and reducing risk. The best part? It works with every U.S. Class 8 tractor-trailer, autonomous rigs, and can even be fitted onto existing trucks with no major modifications. This isn't just a convenience upgrade, it's a step toward fully autonomous freight yards. The future of trucking is here, and it starts with one button. Imagine a trailer that doesn't just haul cargo, but actually transforms to fit the job. That's exactly what Dutch manufacturer Pactton delivers. Instead of sticking to one design, Pactton creates shape-shifting trailers built for versatility. Take their loader trailer, equipped with a hydraulic front section, it's perfect for carrying heavy concrete panels with precision. Measuring 2.5 meters wide and 9.5 meters long, it offers 6 secure cargo points for safe transport. Need something lower? The Step Deck SXD adapts from 1 to 4 axles with an extendable platform, giving you unmatched flexibility. For heavy-duty work, the TXK tipper uses telescopic cylinders to lift an incredible 47 tons with ease. And when it comes to bulk cargo like biomass pellets, their moving floor trailer unloads smoothly without tipping. But here's the real game changer. Every trailer can be customized. From lift axles to hydraulic tweaks to container locks, Pactton builds exactly what you need. In short, if you can dream it, Pactton can trailer it. Imagine climbing 3 meters up a tanker with no handrails. One slip could be fatal. Now picture a system that makes this climb completely safe at the press of a button. This is the Oilman's Safety Rail System, a game-changer for tanker drivers. With a simple push, pneumatic handrails rise automatically into place, creating a secure walkway in seconds. Once the truck moves, the rails fold back down smoothly, ensuring nothing gets caught on bridges or overpasses. The best part? It adapts to any tanker. Whether it's brand new or decades old, the system adjusts to fit different tank sizes and can be installed on one or both sides. Powered entirely by the truck's own pneumatic system, it requires no bulky add-ons. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, these rails are tough, stable in high winds, and strong enough to support any driver. Safety isn't just an option, it's a necessity, and this system makes it effortless.
Frank is a 2001 Freightliner Classic, built with time-tested steel and fueled by old-school power. He represents a strong respect for tradition and a deep connection to the open road. Frank isn't flashy, he's dependable, gritty, and always ready for the long haul. With a classic build and a powerful engine, he stands as a symbol of toughness and loyalty. He doesn't just drive, he rides with purpose, honoring every mile with determination. This truck has seen countless highways and carried heavy loads without complaint, proving its worth time and again. Frank's presence demands respect, not because of modern tech or luxury, but because of his rugged character and timeless strength. He's a reminder that some things don't need to change to be powerful. The Burlier T100, once the world's largest truck, was a mechanical giant built to dominate the unforgiving terrain of the Sahara Desert. Designed in the 1950s, this diesel-powered colossus transformed the vast, shifting sands into navigable paths, showcasing the incredible potential of heavy-duty engineering. Standing over 4 meters tall and weighing more than 50 tons, the T100 wasn't just a truck. It was a mobile fortress built for the extremes. Its immense tires and rugged construction allowed it to traverse dunes and hostile landscapes with ease, carrying massive payloads where few vehicles dared to go. More than a transport solution, the Burlier T100 was a bold symbol of innovation and industrial ambition. It proved that no environment is too harsh when powered by vision, determination, and engineering muscle built on a truly grand scale.
Meet the future of trucking, the Kenworth Super Truck 2. This isn't just another big rig, it's a machine rewriting the rules of freight efficiency. After 6 years of development with the U.S. Department of Energy, this truck has set new records that once seemed impossible. It delivers a stunning 136% improvement in freight efficiency, averaging 12 miles per gallon, and hits a groundbreaking 55.7% engine efficiency, numbers unheard of in heavy-duty trucking. Its design is just as impressive. A 7,100-pound weight reduction and a 48% boost in aerodynamics make it glide through highways with ease. Under the hood, the Pactton MX-11 engine pairs with a Texas 12 transmission and a 48-volt mild hybrid system, maximizing fuel savings without sacrificing power. Step inside, and innovation continues. A center-mounted driver's seat, futuristic digital mirrors, and a reverse spade chassis push comfort and control to new levels. The Kenworth Super Truck 2 isn't just a truck, it's a vision of what the future of transportation looks like: lighter, smarter, and astonishingly efficient. The road ahead just changed forever. The custom Peterbilt 389 is a head-turning truck that combines classic American style with modern luxury. Its long nose design, shiny chrome details, and stainless steel grille give it a bold, timeless look that stands out on any road. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong Cummins X15 engine that can produce up to 605 horsepower, making long hauls smooth and powerful. Inside, the cabin is built for comfort and style. It features high-quality leather seats, soft ambient lighting, and advanced infotainment systems to make life on the road more enjoyable. There are plenty of customization options too. You can get an extended sleeper cabin with a king-size bed, and even choose a custom paint job to match your personal taste. The price of a custom Peterbilt 389 depends on the features and upgrades you choose. For example, a 2022 model with a 14T sleeper and a 600 horsepower engine is priced around $309,750, according to listings on U.S. commercial truck trading sites. Whether you're a long-haul driver or a truck enthusiast, the Peterbilt 389 offers both power and luxury in one iconic package. Imagine a truck that literally reshapes itself on the move. That's exactly what the Smart Valve system brings to the road. At its core, Smart Valve allows a truck to slide neatly under a load trailer, instantly improving aerodynamics. The result? Less drag, more efficiency, and a smarter way to tackle long drives. That's just the beginning, though, because the real magic happens with its advanced automatic mode. Here's how it works. Most drivers know the hassle of adjusting ride height after hooking up a trailer. Forget to do it, and you risk uneven handling, wasted fuel, or even potential damage. Smart Valve solves this by resetting the height automatically once the truck hits 11 km per hour. No buttons, no reminders, just seamless control. The impact is huge. A smoother ride for the driver, better fuel economy for the fleet, and fewer risks of costly injuries or maintenance issues. It's more than convenience, it's a shift in how trucks are designed to think ahead. Smart Valve isn't just a feature. It's a future where trucks adapt for you, making every mile smarter, safer, and more efficient. Expandable Trailer Touchdown is designed to make life easier for modern entrepreneurs. Instead of renting offices or moving from place to place, this trailer gives you everything in one space. Want to launch a new product? Simply open it up, and within minutes it becomes a stylish showroom. Planning a promotion tour? Your office can travel with you, so you always stay connected. Inside, there's a neat meeting area and enough room to display your products clearly and professionally. When the workday ends, the trailer doesn't stop being useful. With just a few changes, it turns into a warm and comfortable living space. You can relax, recharge, and be ready for the next big opportunity. Touchdown helps you stay flexible, mobile, and efficient without losing comfort. It's more than a trailer, it's a complete business and lifestyle solution on wheels. Hook. Imagine cutting your truck's fuel bill without complicated upgrades or weeks in the shop. Sounds impossible? Meet Truck Wings, the simple device making it happen. Features and benefits. Truck Wings is an aerodynamic panel system that seals the gap between a tractor and its trailer, on both the sides and the roof. Once your truck hits around 83 km per hour, it deploys automatically, no buttons, no hassle. Context and real-world impact. This smart design tackles one of the biggest causes of drag for tractor trailers, delivering up to 6% fuel savings. For most fleets, that means the device pays for itself in just 2 years, and keeps saving you money for many more. Installation takes only about 2 hours, and it works with any truck, old or new, diesel or electric. Closing statement. Truck Wings isn't just a gadget, it's proof that small changes can drive big results. The road to efficiency is now just a panel away. Imagine a trailer that doesn't just travel, it transforms. The Expandable Touchdown is more than a vehicle, it's a shape-shifting space on wheels. Drive it like any regular trailer, and in just 15 minutes, watch it unfold into something entirely new. Need an office? A store? A mobile studio? This machine adapts to whatever you need. Once expanded, it offers an impressive 60 square meters of interior space, complete with air conditioning, heating, lighting, and all the essentials to make it fully functional anywhere. It's not just about convenience, it's about freedom. Whether you're running a business on the go, setting up events in remote locations, or simply redefining what home can mean, the Expandable Touchdown changes the rules of mobility. Sure, it starts at $297,360, but for a vehicle that turns any destination into a fully equipped base of operations, the real value is in the possibilities it unlocks. Hook. Imagine controlling your trailer's axles with just a button, or even by tapping the brake 3 times. Features and benefits. The Knapen trailer's lift axle isn't just about carrying loads, it's about carrying them smarter. This system lets you raise or lower an axle automatically based on the weight, or take full control yourself. Use a remote, a cab panel, or that quick triple brake tap to make adjustments in seconds. Context and real-world impact. The magic lies in its adaptability. Drop the first axle for rock-solid stability on winding mountain roads. Lift the third axle to shorten the wheelbase, making tight turns feel effortless. Whether it's conquering steep terrain or navigating narrow streets, this tech turns challenges into smooth rides. Closing statement. With Knapen's lift axle, your trailer isn't just following the road, it's mastering it.
Together in a fleet.
Imagine a truck platform so advanced it can be refueled in just 20 minutes and drive up to 800 kilometers without stopping. That's the future
Efficiency,
Dawson is building with its
accurate,
groundbreaking hydrogen-powered skateboard. This French company, already famous for its hydrogen Dakar rally race, is pushing the limits of clean mobility once again. The skateboard platform isn't just about sustainability, it's about power and versatility. Capable of carrying up to 40 tons, it offers the strength industries demand while slashing emissions. What makes it even more exciting is its customizable design. Buyers can adapt the platform with their own cabs, equipment, or software none other than Kenworth, the legendary Italian design couple behind some of the world's most iconic cars. Dawson's skateboard proves once again the future of any transport isn't just cleaner, it's smarter, stronger, and undeniably stylish. MDTU-20. When the road throws its toughest challenges, the MDTU-20 is the truck that rises to the call. Built for towing and recovery with unmatched precision, this beast is more than just a vehicle, it's raw power on wheels. Equipped with a worm gear winch capable of pulling up to 8 tons, it handles heavy hauls without breaking a sweat. Needs serious lifting muscle? The boom can raise a staggering 20 tons, making even the most demanding jobs feel effortless. Control is just as impressive. Thanks to its wireless remote, you can operate from a safe, convenient distance. No need to stay glued to the truck. Add in the advanced lighting package, complete with strobes and tool compartment illumination, and it's ready to perform day or night. What makes the MDTU-20 even more remarkable is its adaptability. The manufacturer can customize it to meet your exact needs, turning this machine into more than a truck. It becomes a true extension of your expertise. The MDTU-20 doesn't just move loads, it moves limits.
Daimler Trucks North America, DTNA, has launched an innovative concept truck under the Freightliner brand called the Super Truck. This vehicle showcases a variety of advancements aimed at greatly enhancing the efficiency of road freight transport. It achieves impressive fuel savings through advanced energy management, an intelligent powertrain, and a DT12 automated transmission. The truck also uses predictive technology to adjust its speed by utilizing GPS and digital 3D maps. In real-world test drives, the Super Truck has averaged about 19 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers, or 12.2 miles per gallon, while driving at approximately 100 kilometers per hour, 65 miles per hour, with a gross vehicle weight rating of 29.5 metric tons, 65,000 pounds. The Super Truck Research and Development Project started in 2010 and received a significant boost from a $40 million grant from the U.S. Department of Energy. Notably, this vehicle has exceeded the department's goal of improving the freight efficiency of U.S. Class A trucks by 50%. With the Super Truck, DTNA is leading the charge toward a more sustainable future in freight transportation.
The Volvo VNL truck is a modern engineering masterpiece designed to upgrade the trucking experience. It focuses on driver comfort, safety, and efficiency, all packed in a stylish and bold design. Its unique curved windshield and sharp angular shape improve both looks and aerodynamics. The truck delivers strong performance with 405 to 500 horsepower and 1,950 pound-feet of torque, powered by the D13 engine and I-Shift automated manual transmission. Volvo's advanced safety system adds smart features like lane keeping assist, pedestrian detection, and collision avoidance to help drivers stay safe on the road. These systems are designed to reduce risks and improve overall driving confidence. Whether you choose a brand new or pre-owned model, the price usually ranges from $140,000 to $180,000 based on the version and condition. The Volvo VNL combines power, technology, and safety to meet the needs of modern trucking.
Meet the future of long-haul driving. The Mack Pioneer isn't just another truck on the highway, it's a glimpse into the future of transport. With its bold design and cutting-edge safety tech, this beast is built to protect both driver and road. Step inside, and you'll notice something familiar. The cabin design comes straight from Volvo's VN series. That means drivers get a modern, comfortable space with all the refinements of its Swedish counterpart. But what truly sets the Pioneer apart is the Mack Protect system, designed with safety as the top priority. Picture this: forward collision warnings, blind spot alerts, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assistance. all working together like a second pair of eyes. It even reads road signs and detects pedestrians from the front and sides, ensuring no detail is missed. A sleek head-up display projects key information right onto the windshield, so drivers never lose focus. This isn't just innovation for the sake of it, it's a real solution to the daily challenges truckers face. The Mack Pioneer proves that safety and power can share the same road. Because the future of trucking isn't just about getting there, it's about getting there safer. Imagine driving a massive truck through a busy city, and suddenly a cyclist darts in front of you. That split second can mean everything, and that's where man-front detection steps in. This smart collision prevention system keeps an extra set of eyes on the road. Using a windshield-mounted camera and twin radar sensors built into the bumper, it constantly scans the space ahead. If a pedestrian or cyclist gets too close, it immediately warns the driver, first with a visual alert, then with a sharp audio signal. In packed urban streets, where traffic is unpredictable and intersections are chaotic, this technology becomes a real game changer. Whether you're pulling away from a stoplight or rolling slowly through a crowded area under 10 km per hour, man-front detection acts as a safety net, reducing blind spots and giving drivers crucial reaction time. By combining precision sensors with real-world awareness, it doesn't just protect drivers, it protects lives. In today's cities, safety isn't optional, it's essential, and this system makes sure no one slips through the cracks.
Volvo VNR Electric. The Volvo VNR Electric is a modern and eco-friendly heavy-duty truck designed for city use. It comes with a 565 kilowatt battery, allowing it to drive up to 170 miles on a single charge. Charging is quick. A full charge with 6 batteries takes only 90 minutes, making it ideal for daily operations. With 455 horsepower, the truck offers strong performance, fast acceleration, and can easily handle heavy loads. It's also a cost-saving choice for companies, thanks to programs like California's Hybrid and Zero-Emission Truck and Bus Voucher Incentive Project. This program provides up to $120,000 per vehicle, making the transition to electric trucks more affordable. The Volvo VNR Electric highlights Volvo's commitment to clean energy and innovation in transportation. It's a smart step forward for businesses looking for powerful, reliable, and sustainable electric trucks suited for modern-day needs.
Imagine driving long hours on the road and stepping into a cabin that feels more like home than a truck. That's exactly what Lamax has created. These sleeper cabins aren't just built for compatibility with major truck brands like Renault and Evco. They're designed with the driver's comfort at the core. Their sleek aerodynamic shape reduces wind drag, saving fuel and cutting costs for fleet owners. But the real magic lies inside. Lamax cabins are sound insulated, blocking out road noise so drivers can finally rest. Some models even feature a mini kitchen, letting you cook on the go, something unheard of in most freight cabins. Comfort doesn't stop there. You'll find spacious beds up to 200 by 70 centimeters, a built-in heater for cold nights, a table, a sunroof, and even an extra bed for company. With Lamax, freight transport transforms from a tough grind into a more human, livable experience. This isn't just innovation for trucks, it's innovation for people. Imagine connecting a massive truck trailer in just 7 seconds, without touching a single cable. That's exactly what the Electron's AutoConnect makes possible. Instead of wrestling with heavy hoses and tangled wires, drivers can stay comfortably in the cab and press one button. Instantly, the system hooks up the brake lines, electrical circuits, CAN bus, and even Ethernet, automatically. No hassle, no wasted time. What makes it even smarter is the built-in computer. The moment the connection is complete, it runs a full check on brakes and electrics, instantly alerting the driver if something's wrong. That's speed and safety working hand in hand. In massive distribution yards, drivers often switch trailers dozens of times in a single shift. Normally, that eats up hours. With AutoConnect, those hours turn into minutes, saving energy, boosting productivity, and reducing risk. The best part? It works with every U.S. Class 8 tractor-trailer, autonomous rigs, and can even be fitted onto existing trucks with no major modifications. This isn't just a convenience upgrade, it's a step toward fully autonomous freight yards. The future of trucking is here, and it starts with one button. Imagine a truck that can hit the brakes before you even react. That's the power of automatic emergency braking, or AEB, a technology built to stop accidents before they happen. Using a mix of radars, cameras, and lidars scanning up to 150 meters ahead, this system constantly watches the road. If it senses danger, it warns the driver with sounds and dashboard alerts. And if there's still no response, it takes control, braking automatically to avoid or reduce a crash. The results are game-changing. Studies by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety show that AEB cuts rear-end collisions by nearly half. And it's not just about cars, it can also detect pedestrians and cyclists, protecting lives in city streets, highways, and even in traffic jams. It works hand in hand with adaptive cruise control and lane keeping, making driving smoother and safer. Insurance companies even reward trucks equipped with it with lower premiums. While rain and fog can affect performance, the system still adjusts by applying partial or full braking depending on speed and conditions. This isn't just tech, it's a revolution in road safety. Imagine a world where every vehicle could think faster than us. Imagine a trailer so advanced, it can lift and rotate its own axles, without relying on a truck. Meet the NT Group MK1E Master, the world's first fully electric translifter. This isn't your average trailer. The Mark 1M runs completely on electricity, cutting out fuel costs and saving up to $35,000 every year. That alone makes it a game-changer for freight transport. But here's where it gets even smarter, its electro-hydraulic system operates independently. That means it doesn't need to be plugged into a semi-truck to function. Whether paired with a modern electric vehicle or an older diesel tractor, the Mark 1M adapts seamlessly. This flexibility means companies don't have to replace their entire fleet to go green. Instead, they can integrate the MK1E Master directly into their current operations, making the transition to sustainable freight smooth and cost-effective. The future of transportation isn't coming, it's already here. And with the MK1E Master, the road ahead looks cleaner, smarter, and far more efficient. The Prospector. What happens when a truck blasts past 200 kilometers per hour? It stops being just a truck, it becomes a monster of engineering. Meet the Prospector, a one-of-a-kind machine built by Australian speed fanatic Rob Waters with a single goal: to shatter records on the salt flats of Lake Gardner. Under the hood, or rather, behind the cab, sits a beastly 13-liter Caterpillar engine pulled straight from a dump truck. Pushed to the limits with a Borg-Warner turbocharger, it churns out a mind-blowing 1,500 horsepower. Each time the chrome stacks roar, you can hear raw power echo across the flats. And here's the fun twist. Its fuel tank isn't some high-tech system, it's literally a polished beer keg. A touch of Aussie humor in a machine built for sheer speed. In just 5 months, Rob turned his vision into reality, and the Prospector stormed into history, hitting 228 kilometers per hour and claiming Australia's diesel speed record. It's more than a truck, it's proof of what passion, grit, and a wild imagination can build. Foolish Pleasure, the monster on wheels. Meet Foolish Pleasure, a truck that turns heads before it even roars to life. At first glance, it looks like a clean, white Kenworth W900. But don't be fooled, beneath that calm exterior lives a fire-breathing beast. Powered by a Caterpillar 3406E engine, this machine redefines raw power. In standard mode, it pushes out a strong 700 horsepower. Switch to race mode, and it's chaos. Dynos struggle to measure the insane power spike. Tires scream, exhaust stacks spit flames, and the crowd goes absolutely wild. This isn't just for show. The owner takes it into uphill drag races, sometimes hauling a trailer, sometimes not. Across the US, this monster has built a reputation as both a competitor's nightmare and a fan favorite. It's more than a truck, it's a spectacle. A machine so powerful it feels almost reckless, yet impossible to ignore. Foolish Pleasure proves one thing. Sometimes, the wildest rides are the ones you'll never forget. Hellfire. This isn't a truck, it's a fire-breathing monster on wheels. Meet Hellfire. A 1995 Freightliner reborn as one of the wildest machines on Earth. Under its frame sits a General Electric J79 jet engine straight from an F-4 Phantom fighter jet. The result? A mind-blowing 18,000 horsepower packed into a truck that no longer carries cargo, only chaos. Hellfire doesn't just move, it unleashes. Flames shoot 23 meters from its exhaust, lighting up the sky as it roars past at speeds topping 300 kilometers per hour. Blink, and it's already gone. Now touring across North America, this beast isn't hauling freight, it's hauling pure adrenaline. Fans watch in awe as it devours fuel and tears down the track, every run feeling like it drinks a barrel of jet fuel just across the finish line. Hellfire isn't just a showpiece. It's proof of how far human imagination can push the limits of engineering. A truck turned into a jet-fueled spectacle, built to shock, thrill, and leave crowds breathless.